CAVITE Tools and Equipment Corporation. In this video, I'm going to explain what is a panel box.
A panel box is an enclosure that provides centralized access to a building's electrical fuses, breakers, and components.
An electrical panel usually have the main power switch or breaker and multiple order switches, each responsible for supplying power to different areas. The panel also contains wiring which connected to the various outlet and light fixtures in your homes. Oh, ano pang hinihintay nyo? Come and shop now! Our shop is located at Bangkal, CARMONA, CAVITE. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching!